Good morning, Ma'am Delia Villanueva, and good morning to my classmate 2I. This is our report in Philippine popular culture about the unique culture of Region 10 or Northern Mindanao that presented by Justin Ray Aureliano and Raven Nerick. Northern Mindanao, officially known as Region 10, is an administrative region in the southern part of the Philippines. It is composed of 5 provinces: Camiguin, Bukidnon, Lanao del Norte, Misamis Occidental, and Misamis Oriental. Region 10 or Northern Mindanao has a unique culture shaped by the interaction of different groups such as the Lumad tribes, Maranao Muslims, and Christian settlers. Its traditions are reflected in colorful festivals like the Kaamulan in Bukidnon and Lanzones Festival in Camiguin, as well as in the tribal dances, weaving, and Maranao art. This blend of indigenous practices, Islamic heritage, and Christian influence makes the region one of the most vibrant cultural centers in the Philippines. Indigenous tradition and rituals. The Higaonon, Bukidnon, Talaandig, Manobo, and Subaden tribes performs rituals called pamuhat or kaliga, which are offerings to spirits for good harvest, protection, or healing. They use traditional music from agong or gongs, kulintang, and bamboo instruments during ceremonial. And these are some examples of tradition and rituals. This is the pamuhat or panalahawig, a ritual offering of food, betel nut, and chicken or pig to the spirits. It is done before planting, harvesting, traveling, or during healing. It is show respect to nature spirits or anito. Kaliga Festival, a grand Thanksgiving ritual to the Supreme Being, which is called Magbabaya, performed with chanting, playing of gongs, and tribal dances, usually tied to harvest celebrations. Ang kaliga ay isang sagradong ritual o seremonya ng mga lumad, partikular ng mga Higaonon at iba pang katutumong grupo sa Mindanao. Ginagawa nila ito upang magpasalamat at humingi ng proteksyon at ipagdiwang ang kanilang kultura at paniniwala. Pagdiwata, ritual to communicate with spirits and ancestors, includes chanting, drumming, and animal sacrifice, aim at healing the sick or blessing the community. Ang pagdiwata ay ginaganap pagkatapos ng ani bilang pasasalamat sa masaganang biyaya. Kapag may sakit o sakuna, bilang panalangin para sa kagalingan at proteksyon, at sa mahalagang okasyon gaya ng kasal, kapanganakan o pagtatalaga ng bagong lider ng tribo. Kanduli, a Muslim Thanksgiving ritual or feast, includes prayers, food sharing, and kulintang music performed during weddings, harvest, or after blessings. Karaniwang ginagawa ang kanduli, pagpapasalamat sa ala sa mga biyaya, paggunita ng mahalagang okasyon, halimbawa ng kasal, kapanganakan, pagtatapos, bagong bahay, o paghingi ng gabay at proteksyon. Karaniwan itong ginagawa sa Lanao del Norte dahil maraming Maranao na Muslim ang nakatira rito. Ang mga tradisyon at ritual sa Region 10 ay nakasentro sa pagpapasalamat, pagsamba sa kalikasan, paghilom, at pagkakaisa sa komunidad, kagaya ng Kaliga Festival, pagdiwata, at Maranao Kanduli, na lahat ay pinapakita ang mabuti at pagrespeto sa kalikasan, sa mga espiritu at sa kultura.
Kaamulan Festival, Bukidnon. Known as the only authentic ethnic festival in the Philippines, it celebrates the unity of Bukidnon's 7 tribes, showcases tribal dance, chants, rituals, and colorful tradition clothing. The Kaamulan Festival is the cultural festival held every March in Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. The word Kaamulan comes from the Binukid word amul, meaning to gather. Is the considered the only authentic ethnic festival in the Philippines, as it is a gathering of Bukidnon's 7 tribes: Bukidnon, Higaonan, Talaandig, Manubu, Matigsalug, Tigwahanon, and Umayamnon. The festival features traditional ritual street dancing, chanting, horse fight, and cultural shows that highlight the tribe's costumes, history, and unity. Binanog dance, a tribal dance that imitates the movements of the Banog. It represents respect for nature and is performed during celebration with lively gong and drum music. The Binanog dance is a traditional ritual dance of the Bukidnon and Higaonon tribes in northern Mindanao. It imitates the flight or the Banog, hawk or eagle, showing how the bird soars and swoops. Usually performed during Thanksgiving, harvest ritual, and important celebration, it is accompanied by a gongs, drums, and chanting. The dance symbolizes the people's respect for nature and their belief in the connection between humans, animal, and spirits. Ang Binanog dance ay isang katutubong sayaw ng mga Bukidnon sa northern Mindanao na ginagayan ang kilos ng lawin o banog. Karaniwang isinasayaw ito tuwing may pista. Weaving and handicrafts. Indigenous group weave hinabol, Bukidnon hand-woven cloth, and ikat with patterns that hold spiritual meanings. The Maranaos are known for ochre design, geometric and floral patterns used in textiles, wood carvings, and architecture. And northern Mindanao indigenous tribes like the Bukidnon, Higaonon, and Maranao are known for their weaving and handicrafts. The Bukidnon tribes create the hinabol, a hand-woven cloth made from abaca or cotton, often used in rituals and symbolizing peace, harmony, and identity. The Maranaos of Lanao del Norte produce intricate ikat textiles and use the famous ochre design, geometric and floral pattern in their wood carvings, brassware, and textiles. These crafts are not only for daily use but also serve as symbols of tradition, spirituality, and artistry. Maranao music and arts. Lanao del Norte, Kulintang music, gong, a symbol, is central in ritual and celebration. The Turugan Royal House reflects Maranao artistry and social status. The Maranao people, one of the major Muslim groups in Mindanao, are known for their rich tradition of music and arts. Their music is highlighted by the kulintang, a symbol, a set of gongs used in ritual celebration and social gathering. Their arts feature the famous ochre design, which are flowing geometric and floral pattern carved or painted on wood, metal, and textiles. The Torogan, the traditional Maranao royal house, is decorated with these ochre patterns and symbolize their artistry and social status.
Food culture. Camiguin's pastel, soft bread with sweet fillings, and lanzones fruit are famous cultural icons. Indigenous dishes often use root crops, corn, and rice shared during rituals and harvest festivals. Camiguin is famous for its pastel, soft bread with sweet fillings, and the sweet of lanzones fruit celebrated in the annual Lanzones Festival. In Misamis Oriental and Misamis Occidental, coastal areas offer fresh seafood, crabs, and shellfish, often cooked in coconut milk or sour broth. The Maranaos of Lanao del Norte add a unique flavor with dishes rich in spices and coconut, such as palapa or spiced condiment, piyaparan or chicken with coconut and turmeric, and tiuma itum or black beef soup. And that's all for our report. Thank you for listening.